And 1 November Romeo, I need you outside of Bravo.
Negative.
Negative what?
I'm inside.
You were not given a clearance through the Bravo. 1 November Romeo, exit the Bravo immediately.
I've been talking to you the whole time. That's the whole point of talking to you.
You have to have a Bravo clearance. You have to request a Bravo clearance.
The Bravo clearance about 50 miles ago.
Nobody cleared you through the Bravo but me.
Then clear me through.
No.
Yes.
You're an asshole.
He's being an ass. That is not appropriate language.